Last example. You have 21 grams of radium, and it is reduced by 3.5% per month. I don't know what you're saying. So, sorry folks. How much of the radium is left in 14 months? Well, the fact that it says reduces tells you that you're going to use the half-life formula. Okay? So it reduces by 3.5% per month. The time to have is 70 divided by 3.5. And that gives you, that's a 3, 20 months. Okay? So that means in 20 months, you'll have 10.5 grams. Okay? Well, but then the problem goes on to say, how much is left in 14 months? Not 20, but less than 20. So you say nu is equal to the starting amount times a half, and the half should be in parentheses, to the little t is how long you want to run the experiment, which is 14 months, over the time to half, which we found to be 20 months. And this 2 must be in parentheses. And when you plug that into your calculator, you will get 12.927 grams. Okay? Now I have asked you to round to the nearest hundredth, so that would be 0.93 grams. Okay? Now before I sign off, I do want to mention that you must show on the test, you must show your formulas. You cannot just give me a number. If you don't have the formula, like the NPR formula, like 3 permuted 1, that's part of the credit. If you don't have it on the paper, you lose that credit, okay? You can't just say 125, you have to say 5 cubed, or whatever it is, okay? No credit for just, no, not full credit for just answers. You have to round according to my directions. All money answers are to the nearest penny. And I want you to put identifiers on all your answers, like cones or potato chips or gumballs or whatever it is. People, horses, ways, something like that. Now I did do a study sheet for the parables. That was attached to 8A. I wrote out a very specific long problem, and then it was on quiz 9X, okay, in section 8B. But I did write it all out. I also wrote out an overlapping problem, very long and detailed, and I wrote out an at least once problem, long and detailed. Okay, so you need to go back into your emails and find those papers and study them. Okay, all those problems have been on the test, on your quizzes, so you can expect to see them on the test. Okay, for your homework, I'll be sending that homework paper just like last time, but you will have to send me all of your homework, not just the 11 or 12 problems that I specify. So I hope that that's not going to cause you too much hassle. Okay, I will send an extra credit. Since these are no longer timed, you're all welcome to try it. Send it back to me. And don't forget that next Monday, your projects are due. Okay, and I'm still waiting for some examples of what you would like to do for the last 5 points, since we can't do our presentations. Okay? Send questions. Hi, just a note, if you ever hear barking during the presentations, it's my 2 dogs. This is Woof and this is Arf, and they're quite interested and they would love to meet you at some point, but they're my new class. They're who I talk to. Later, bye.